We got Garrett Pitcock. We're having a good time out here. Jessica flat tire nut.
That's a long shot. That's a shot that worked.
This young lady should be anybody's business. Driver with Jessica comes across. Wow, ridiculous. Royal G Cherokee owners at home.